Is it time to buy or sell NIO stock? In this video, we will explore NIO in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 19th of August, 2025. And now, we aim to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to remain informed about our latest analysis. You won't want to miss any critical updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since July 10, 2025, our system has ranked NIO as a strong buy candidate, assigning it a score of 6.12. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who followed our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 37.4% since we first identified NIO as a buy candidate 29 days ago. This equates to an average return of 1.29% per day since it was designated as a strong buy candidate. The stock is positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating further potential for growth. The current 3-month trend suggests a possible 38.08% change over the next 3 months, with expected returns ranging from 20.19% to 49.77%. In terms of a longer view, our 12-month analysis projects a negative 19.2% change. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between negative 63.07% and negative 4.96% over the next year. This translates to an anticipated future price between $1.87 and $4.82. Our latest daily update for NIO includes the headline NIO stock upgraded from buy candidate to strong buy candidate after Tuesday trading session. The NIO stock price gained 4.11% on the last trading day, Tuesday, the 19th of August, 2025, rising from $4.87 to $5.07. It has now gained for 3 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it continues to rise or takes a brief pause in the coming days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 6.09%, with a low of $4.93 and a high of $5.23. The price has increased in 8 of the last 10 days and is up by 12.67% over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, trading volume rose on the last day alongside the price, which is a favorable technical indicator, with a total of 42 million more shares traded than the previous day. In total, 87 million shares changed hands for approximately $438.74 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $7.71, while the lowest price was $3.02. Currently, the price stands 34.24% or $2.64 below the 52-week high and 92.43% or $61.92 below the all-time high on January 11, 2021, when the price reached $66.99. NIO is expanding its presence internationally, entering markets in Singapore, Uzbekistan, and Costa Rica through new partnerships and brand launches. This strategy clearly aims to diversify its revenue streams beyond China. Operationally, the company highlights its achievements with 221,970 vehicle deliveries in 2024 and cumulative deliveries totaling approximately 672,000. NIO plans to establish around 4,000 battery swap stations by the end of 2025, including 1,000 located overseas, and is also scaling its mass-market brands, Onvo and Firefly. The market has experienced volatility, with a 42% rally in July, resulting in shares trading between $4.80 and $4.90. Additionally, a significant exit by institutional investors from Bridgewater has added immediate selling pressure. China's electric vehicle market showed signs of cooling in July, with a 5% decrease month-on-month, presenting a short-term challenge for demand. In the near term, anticipate ongoing volatility concerning deliveries, earnings, and investor positioning. However, in the long run, successful international expansions, the scaling of swap stations, and penetration into mass markets could significantly enhance revenue and valuation. It is important to remain aware of execution risks, competition, and the capital intensity that could pose challenges. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 31st of July, 2025, it was reported that Macquarie assigned NIO an outperform grade, along with an upgrade action. On Monday, the 14th of July, 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned NIO a buy grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 17th of June, 2025, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned NIO a neutral grade with an upgrade action. On Monday, the 28th of April, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned NIO a buy grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 21st of November, 2024, it was reported that Bank of America Securities assigned NIO a neutral grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned NIO stock a general sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell, and the price-to-book ratio similarly as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts also rate the stock with a strong sell assessment. The following signals have been identified for NIO. The NIO stock shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal stemming from the relationship between these two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. During any downward corrections, support can be expected at $4.74 and $4.41. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Friday, June 20th, 2025, and so far, the stock has appreciated by 48.68%. Further gains are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Notably, volume is increasing along with the price, which is viewed as a favorable technical signal. However, some negative signals have also been generated, which could impact short-term developments. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal from 42 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 27 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 30 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 28 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 28 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 19 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for NIO. NIO finds support from accumulated volume at $5.01. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is expected when the support is tested. The stock exhibits average daily movements, and with good trading volume, the risk is categorized as medium. During the last day, the stock fluctuated by 3 cents between its high and low, or 6.09%. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 4.06%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for NIO, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is experiencing losses. Even well-established companies can go through downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profit and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is expected on the 4th of September 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at -0.3%. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for NIO. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which suggests that the stock could move upwards swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you may want to enter a position and utilize volume to determine the best time to exit. On the downside, NIO encounters its first support level at $5.01. If this support level holds firm, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a possible rebound. The combined average rating for NIO from multiple analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock is older than 3 months. The latest trade occurred on the 24th of February 2016, when Citigroup Inc. conducted an insider sale of 850 shares of variable rate demand preferred shares. Our recommended stop loss is set at $4.88, reflecting a decrease of 3.80%. This stock experiences medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal generated from a pivot bottom identified 41 days ago. Is NIO stock a good buy? NIO exhibits several positive indicators and is currently on a strong upward trajectory. As the saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Therefore, we believe it is a wise choice at these levels, anticipating further gains over the next 3 months. We have revised our analysis for this stock from a buy to a strong buy recommendation since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 20th of August, we expect NIO to open higher by a small fraction and begin trading at $5.08. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you success in your trading endeavors and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.